Perfect Kaleidoscopes don't have to take years to master. I've simplified the process so you can create stunning results faster. Hi, I'm Belinda Williams, soap artist and the creator of the Kaleidoscope Tools and Technique. After years of testing, tweaking, and troubleshooting, I'm finally sharing my new, simple Kaleidoscope process so you can pour pro-level Kaleidoscopes with confidence and consistency. On November 19th, I'm launching a 90-minute workshop that will teach you everything you need to know to create stunning Kaleidoscopes without spending weeks testing tools, recipes, colors, or scents. In my Kaleidoscope Master Workshop, I'll walk you through every step, from recipe prep and trace control to color planning and pouring patterns. Plus, I'll share the hacks I use to create clean, consistent Kaleidoscope patterns every time. You'll also get my bonus Kaleidosoap Master Guidebook packed with recipes, design trackers, and pro tips, plus lifetime access to every new recipe and project I add as the workshop grows. This has been years in the making, and as a thank you for all your support, I'm offering special pre-launch pricing for a limited time. So if you're ready to skip the struggles and finally pour your dream Kaleidoscopes, join me in the Kaleidoscope Master Workshop. Visit learn.loveyoursuds.com or click the link below to enroll, and I'll see you on the 19th.